Hey guys, video game brawlers here, PSA here today. Almost complete of Leonidas 3D print from Bakugan Brawlers, the video games. Alright, that's from costume players. Cool, great. Let's get built up. Almost complete of the battle. Great, let's do it. Alright, now it's done built for 11 hours, and voila! Wow, Leonidas 3D print's awesome. Awesome. Alright, let's go. Folder Bakugan. Bakugan into the gate card. Let's do it. Alright, there we go. Here is our pink line, purple lines, and tails here. And it's one. Tails there. Oh, cool. That's from players. That's so cool. That's amazing. Alright, Leonidas 3D print is ready to roll. Ready? Oh, okay. Whoa! Oh, there we go. Hold. Okay, I folded the tails. The horns are great. Okay, let's do it. Alright, now it's unfolded it. Horns and tails. Alright, here's our 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 yellow eyes. It's 2 wings, the tails here, and there's a 400 DGGs. That's from players. Cool. That's awesome. It's amazing. Cool. So this is a 3D print. Leonidas 3D print from Bakugan Brawlers. That's fantastic. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing and Bakugan 2. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click it to the bell, click it to Facebook, click it to the bell, click it to Facebook, Twitter, click it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Okay guys, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time, everybody. Bye. And Bakugan Brawl! And okay, next it's Battle X Vladator.